Hey everybody, this is Sean again. Today we went to the biggest Korean ginseng market in Geumsan in South Korea to show the one of the most popular plants to foreigners, ginseng. It's no doubt that Korean ginseng is very well known for good quality as there are lots of historical facts that our ancestors gave ginseng as a gift to other countries for making better relationship. It's kinda dazzling though. I hope that Rainwood is serious find thus Kumsan is most favorable place not only for local people but also for foreign visitors to buy ginseng. Actually, I saw lots of foreign customers when I was filmed there. Kumsan has the clusters of ginseng farms and the biggest market. Obviously, most sellers on buyers in any region are accessible to the place since the place is geographically located in the center of the country. In terms of the way to grow, there are two types of ginseng: cultivated ginseng and wild ginseng. Cultivated ginseng is relatively cheaper than wild one. Wild ginseng is planted on mountains by human and grown naturally. We just arrived in the ginseng market. Let's look around with me. There are a bunch of cubicles for each sellers and they try to promote their ginseng as we pass through. She said it's 5 years old ginseng and it became higher and more expensive as it grows older.
튀김용이네.
These small ones are good size for ginseng fritters.
좀 얇네, 그쵸? 원래 튀김용 얇아서 튀김용 하는 거예요?
예, 그거예요.
이것도 튀김용이면?
예, 이것도
This white yellowish ginseng is cultivated in Masato soil, which is good quality as well. Reddish ginseng is cultivated on ochre soil, which comes at a premium quality. Well, we can classify this plant depends on the processing. Susam, water ginseng is ginseng recently harvested and leave without any processing. Baksam, white ginseng, peel and dry to reduce water content. Hongsam red ginseng is steamed and dried ginseng to prevent it from spoiling. These are the root leftovers or wastes to use for the ginseng juice or we usually use the ginseng to make samgyetang, which is a ginseng chicken soup, or ginseng fritters and ginseng liquors and etc. We found really huge ginsengs and literally it seems like 50 centimeters of circumferences. They use chair for the weight unit system for ginseng. 750 grams, 1.7 pounds is one chair. She said approximately 4 or 5 the big ginsengs can be the one chair.
그렇게 보면은 이거
Finally, we made a last decision. Yeah, we bought this.
아니, 잘 봐봐요, 아빠. 응?
아빠 잘 봐보세요. 아니 삽이 다
이거
좋아요.
햄이 혹시
그런 건 아니에요. 이거는
무관노성 거 아니에요?
Most people believe that this makes people nourishing and tonifying. It's because it contains saponin and genocides, yet it needs more academic research. Also, be aware that there are side effects like headache, insomnia, and digestive problems, even though it is a rare case. Please get consult from medical professionals or relating herbal expert before you eat.
짝수로 게 아니라는데.
They did gift wrap ginseng with a moss decoration in the premium box. Actually, it made it look like the wild ginseng on the soil in the mountain.